fourth hormone that you need to learn is about abscisic acid. Okay, so abscisic acid is totally a reversible function compared to the first three hormones, auxin, gibberellin, and also cytokinin, because abscisic acids play the role in inhibition growth. The first three, all them are promoting growth. Auxin promoting cell elongation, but it only inhibit growth in root only, right? It only inhibit the growth in root only. But still, the main function is to provide cell elongation. And then you know that cytokinin is play the role in cell division and also cell differentiation. And then we know that gibberellin play the role in stem elongation. All of them promoting growth of the plant. But abscisic acid is inhibit growth of the plant, totally reversible. So if you see the site production of the abscisic acid, almost all plant cells able to synthesize. So there are no major site production. Almost all the plant cell, if you are the plant cell, they were able to synthesize, secrete abscisic acid. But normally, okay. And then the major function is inhibit growth. So there are many functions to inhibit growth lah. So normally stomata close, you close your stomata, seed dormancy, inhibit germination, and then promote leaf census and promote desiccation tolerance. Okay, so we see one by one. So one of the role is seed dormancy, meaning that it maintaining the shape of the seed. It will not make the seed germinate. You know that gibberellin promotes seed germination. So this abscisic acid will provide the reversible function. It will dormate seed dormancy, meaning that it maintain the seed shape. It will not the seed will not germinating. Okay, so normally seed dormancy. So normally in the seed, it will have a higher amount of abscisic acid lah. Okay, so maturing seed inhibit germination and then induce the production of protein that helps seed withstand the extreme dehydration that accompany maturation. Okay, and then many seeds have high level of abscisic acid. So ABA is a short form of abscisic acid in their tissue and do not germinate until the abscisic acid are washed out. Okay. Another one is drought tolerance. So this one is especially in the hot sunny day. Normally in desert lah, or when the place like now, maybe in few days ago, then the when the weather is very extremely weather, meaning that there are no raining at all. Meaning maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, no raining at all. So that this is what we call as drought tolerance. It can tolerate the drought, the drought condition. So meaning that when a plant begin to wilt, so normally when the plant is begin to die lah, already lack of water, tak ada air lah. Kalau tak ada air, ABA, abscisic acid will start to accumulate in the leaf and close the stomata rapidly. Although in sunny day, you still remember in chapter 7, you still remember that opening of stomata is due to the sunny day because of blue light, right? Blue light to stimulate the proton pump, and they cause the stomata to open. But for the when during the drought condition, there are no water as well. Dah banyak hari tak ada air, so that the abscisic acid will directly close the stomata to reduce the transpiration rate. Okay, so normally how the mechanism? So the simple mechanism is it will affecting the second messenger. So the ABA will cause the potassium channel in the gut cell to open. So it will miss lazy loss of potassium ion, so that the osmotic loss of water will reduce the gut cell trigger and lead to closing of stomata. So this is like the closing mechanism. So this is very important. Maybe come out in essay question, especially in drought condition. So this meaning that although in sunny day, there are the certain unique condition when the plant is begin to wilt or under the drought condition, so that the plant, the stomata will also close. So this is the mechanism lah. Okay. So